Okay, so I'm doing another video, and today I'm doing a video on Forza Horizon 4 photography. Now, I did a video like this like 8 or 9 months ago, but that was on how to get photos in Forza. This time I'm just purely getting photos in Forza, but if you would like me to do a new, upgraded, newer version of how to get photos in Forza, then comment it down below and I will do that. Anyway, like I said, today we're literally just going to be getting photos in Forza. Now, I do shoot car photos in real life, so I do have some ideas and some knowledge on how to shoot cars, so I thought I'd come back to Forza and try to get some professional and realistic looking photos of cars in Forza. And as you can clearly see, we're going to be starting off with the Lamborghini Performante. Let's try to get some photos in this. It's also winter, so that might make it a bit harder. Alright, it's not even sunset or anything yet, so that doesn't help. Alright, I want a decent puddle, because then I might be able to get the reflection of my car. And to be fair, that could be this puddle right here. I'd have it looking down at the mountain in the background. I reckon this could work. Alright, I want it to be zoomed in. So now I want the car more forward facing the camera. Oh, it's more sunny now as well. Yeah, I want it more like this. Our front wheels turned a little bit, I say. Might be a bit better. I definitely don't want the windscreen wipers up. And now. Let's go back to the spot. Alright, it's really sunny now, which kind of gets rid of the mean look I wanted. Now, I edit up most of my photos in Lightroom with a couple of my presets I've made, so I could show you a bit of that, but I will show you the photos in general. I don't want the background to be that blurry. I kind of want it to be semi-noticeable, but not too noticeable as the mountain in the background. Yeah, focus on the front headlight. Right, there we go. And then, there we go. Alright, we'll bring the exposure down just to add a bit more mood. Bring a bit of colour down. Leave the contrast more or less where it is. And that should be fine. Alright, car lights. Yeah, we definitely want them on driver. We don't want the driver crowd. Disable that. Creatures. Disable anyway. Alright. I think that will do. And I think that is our first photo. Alright, focus it on the front light. Boom. Then we'll bring the shutter speed up. Not loads though. I think that will do. And I'll bring the exposure up a bit. Brightness. I'll have it there again. Add a bit more colour. And to be fair, I think that's the photo already. Right, I'm actually going to get a landscape one for once. I'm going to have it like this, I think. And then, we'll have it panning with it, so looking good, looking good. I don't usually go with wide angle, I like more of a zoomed photo, but I reckon that works quite well, to be fair. I'm going to have it quite bright, and my aperture is going to come up a bit, not that much though. No, a bit more, a bit about there, yeah. Okay, line this up. Alright, I'm going to come back a bit more and zoom it more in, and then I'm going to bring exposure down just a tad, and then I'm going to have aperture. I'm going to bring this up a bit. Yeah, I want to reset that so it's literally brand new. Car lights on, drivers off, and then all them off. I like the tree in the corner. It adds something so it's not just bland, a moody sky. But what I want to do is bring this up just a tad, and then let me focus it on the car, and then I'm going to bring some colour in. Not too much though, and I think that's it. Bring the temperature down a bit. I won't add any vignette in. We'll reset that, and boom. And then we'll have a look. Does it look better at any other angles? I reckon this could look cool, but I don't want them to be as blurry, so I'm just going to bring the aperture down quite a lot, like that. Bring the exposure up, and boom. And then we'll do a landscape one, just because how can you not? I don't know, I want the windmill in, but then I don't want it to be too wide, so think about that. And then I'm also going to have to bring the aperture back up a bit. Around 15, I say. Yes, there we go. Can you be like looking through anywhere here? I mean, that could look pretty cool. But I'm gonna bring the aperture down so that, like, once again, they're not as blurry. There we go. With 2 hot air balloons in the background. I'm quite far back and zoom in quite a lot. Actually, a landscape could look actually good for this sound. And then, of course, I want a portrait. Boom, that's easy as that. As you can tell, I prefer my shots to be zoomed in. Like, I feel like it just adds, like, it makes the photo a lot better. I don't know why, but I just like that shot. And then, can I get a clean shot of just the Bugatti symbol? Of course, I'm just gonna put the aperture all the way up. There we go. Clean. First of all, brighten it up quite a lot. And then I'm going to bring the temperature just a bit more to the cool side for now. And then I'm also going to bring the aperture down so you can see a bit more of that, like, shop sign. Just so you, like, get more of a feel of where we are. Actually, I'm going to bring it up a bit more. I like that one. Just like one from over the road with the shop lighting up the car. And then I know what I'm going to do. Take a landscape. We'll focus it on the car, like looking up the street. Yeah, I like that. Come back a bit, zoom in on that bunda. I can't believe I just said that. But I did. Alright, I don't want the trees that bloody blurry, jeez. Like, I want them a bit blurry, but not that blurry. I'm happy with that one. And boom. Zoom in, then we'll have that, and then we'll go a bit closer and have one. And then I want a wide one. I never use wide, so I'll go with the wide one there. I like that. But I do want to add a bit more blur. In fact, I want to add quite a lot of blur on this one. I like that a lot. And of course, oh, my dog's up. We'll need a portrait one, so I'll just bring it back a bit more. Focus it on the headlight, because that's just what you need to do. Then believe it or not, I'm going to add even more. This one, screw it, this one we're just going to go fully maxed out, because we're ad. I think that is a photo. Boom. Whew. Yes, please. Ooh, yes please. Boom. That looks mean. Let's go. Right, I want to get like, wait, if I got a side on one, changed it to panning, bring the shutter speed to like 8, nah, maybe like 12, yeah, 12. Aperture, bring back to like 5, yes. Oh, mean machine. Alright, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you like something different, like taking photos in a game, and if you did enjoy it and you want to see me do it again, comment down below, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe just to help me out, and I'll do another one. And if you want me to take photos in a different game, it doesn't have to be a car game, it could be any game like Assassin's Creed, GTA, even though GTA doesn't really work, I've tried that, or Forza or Assetto Corsa, just comment it down below and I'm sure I will do it at some point. Hopefully like the photos, hopefully like the video. I don't think I've got anything else to say. Just don't forget to drop a like and comment, and definitely subscribe if you enjoy the content I upload. If not, I don't mind.